Hello, in this lecture we are going to discuss about HTML and CSS in Internet programming. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is a language for describing web pages. A markup language is a set of markup tag which is used to group and describe page content. The HTML document contains two different sections, header and body. The header which contain information about the document that can be defined between the head tag. Body, it contain the actual document. By using the body tag it can be defined. HTML element, HTML heading, paragraph, links and HTML images. HTML headings are defined with the tag H1 to H6. It represents the different size of the data. HTML paragraphs are defined within a tag P. The set of paragraph can be inserted between the tag P. HTML links are defined with the tag A. We need to represent href. Href equal to, we have to mention the link within the double quotes. HTML images. In HTML document we can include the image with the help of the tag img. Img src equal to, within the double quotes we have to mention the image name and also define width and the height. The main four elements in HTML are doc type, HTML, head, body. The doc type HTML is not a tag but declaration. It tells the browser what kind of HTMLs are using. HTML define the whole HTML document. Head contain the special element. It instruct the browser where to find style sheet and also provide meta information. Body, which contain the document content that can be shown inside the browser when HTML file execute. This will be the simple example of HTML document. Inside the HTML tag, head and body tag are defined. What are the essential element tag? Primary structure, structural element, formatting element, head element. Primary structure which hold HTML, head, body element. Inside the body tag, the body element can be represented title, meta, link. The structural elements are HTML paragraph, break, heading, unordered list, ordered list, href, image, div. Formatting elements are strong, bold, block quotes. It represents the font size of the data. Next is CSS. CSS is a cascading style sheet. It is a text file with an extension .cs and it contains a set of commands and the rule. A style sheet is a set of rules defining how an HTML element will be presented in the browser. Those rules are tagged to specific elements in the HTML document. The cascade is a part of the CSS in which set of rules can be used to resolve the conflict when multiple CSS rules can be applied to the same element in the HTML document. HTML plus CSS will give the complete web pages. CSS can be defined inside the tag style. Style type equal to text/CSS. The CSS rule consists of selector and a declaration block. Where selector point to the HTML element, declaration block contain one or more declaration separated by the semicolon. Each declaration which include the property and value separated by a colon. Where color red, where color will be the property and value will be the red. CSS can be applied in three different formats: internal style, inline style, external style. External style is a separate page which is linked to the web pages. We can use the href. Inline style are placed directly inside the HTML element in the code. Finally, internal style, it can be called it as embedded style. The style can be placed inside the head section of a particular web pages using the style tag. Thank you.